Today we speak about the new X2 MPS. As you see, the X2, that is our successful product for the last 10 years, more than 1,000 machines on the market. Today what we done, we put a new generation of side sealing system to have a side sealing for long product, short, and more accurate sealing the parts. As you see, the machine is compact. We still have the 4 doors, our swing, touch, and so on. That's what I want to speak today. It is the advantage regarding our new side sealing. So here we have our side sealer, new generation. As you see, first of all, you can open it in a very easy way. That allowed you to put inside the film much easier, and also to clean all the parts that you need to clean. Very important, as you see now, it's very cold here. So the 2 band, the little one, the bigger, is cold because our side sealer, controlled by Ropex, is going to 0 to 200 Celsius is in 0.01 second. So it's instantaneous, and then it's like very fast up and down. So allows you to don't have problem to our bands. And you can reclose it. So now I want to show you an example how fast you can change the temperature with Ropex. For example, here I have 90 degrees, I go to 200. As you see now, look at less than 1 second, I've been at 200 Celsius. Thanks to Ropex and accurate impulse system. So now we're speaking about the servo motor regarding the adjustment of the sealing bar. The advantage it is of the servo motor to give more pressure, and I can regulate it, for example, minimum, medium, or maximum. I can also decide the opening of the sealing control, for example, in automatic, when I put 50 millimeter, or in manually, I can adjust, for example, put 25 millimeter. The same way, I can decide also the speed. Now I go 60% like this. I can go maximum to 100%. So now we see how simple it is to regulate. For example, here I have, you see the machine and the connection with our tunnel GT, and you can regulate the temperature of the first zone, second zone, the speed of the fan, the speed of the conveyor, and also the flap regarding the airflow in this. Okay, simple to regulate, like for example, the belt, you can choose the horizontal or vertical photocell, or for example, to decide to stop the product when I go to seal or not. Now we're speaking about, of course, you can change all the language. For example, now we have Italian, you can go to the English, German, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, and so on, Arabic. That is all our language that we have. Interesting function to reduce the cost and save energy. For example, you can program a pause time, for example, lunch time. You can stop the machine for 1 hour. If you have the tunnel GT, you can connect it, also the tunnel stops. 10 minutes before you come back, the machine is heating up. So, and the same, you can program, for example, all the week. On Monday, start, for example, at 7 o'clock and finish at 5 o'clock. All the program for every day. So you can heating up the machine at 7 o'clock and stop at 5 p.m. Very interesting regarding this machine, it is how to set up the program. You can put it in a standard way, or you can put inside the picture, unique picture of your product, for example, eggs or other things, And every time that you click in the picture of your product, the machine will adjust herself. Now I want to show you the cycle of the machine, the sealing bar, the side sealing and kissing belt. Look about what is the silence of the sealing bar thanks to the servo motor and the speed of the side sealer up and down. Now I want to speak to you about the design and characteristic of the X2 MPS. First of all, we have our touchscreen here in a flexible, rotated. I can use the touchscreen in this way. I can use it in this way, very simple, or in this way. So much easier because 180 degrees. The same, I have here 40 centimeters of extra band that I can put my product, so I don't need a conveyor in this way. The same I have also in the outside, but the major characteristic is, except the security button, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I can open the doors in completely out in front and also in the back, like in Gullwing. So in this case, I have all the accessibility of all the machine for the service, but also to have a better production and for cleaning. That is our best option. Now I want to show you how to change the roll. I open the door very easy with our security switch. Here I take out my trolley, so I can put the roll here very simple way, easy. Here I can regulate my perforator. Here I have the size and I have the button to motorize the roll. After I can close it, and if I don't remember how to load the film, I can go. So to change the roll, I go with my smartphone to the picture of the QR code, automatic starts the video that is loaded in YouTube that explains you exactly how to change it. So it tells you what to do on the electric parts, and then how to change, to put the roll, the system completely to have the possibility to start the production. So that was our Pratika X2 servo MPS. Remember, the servo motor is for the sealing bar. We have the side sealer with a new accurate system Ropex of Germany that tells you exactly the temperature. So performance with all kind of film, 9 micron, 50 and so on. Very compact, new design, our touchscreen, our loading with USB here and here, our more band in exit and also in infit. So that is our machine. I suggest this machine because it can be really a good machine for you.